I figured I'd give you guys a little Thanksgiving hack. I know most of you are with your families, hopefully enjoying your Thanksgiving dinner and time with family and friends, but if you've been following me, you know my injury saga, my product cast designer, huh? I'm joking, it's just blue. But watch my other videos, my recent videos on the accident and what happened, and you can kind of catch up on that. But I wanted to give everybody who's home alone like myself a little Thanksgiving hack. If any of you live near a Capriati's, I live here in Chicago, and they're all over Las Vegas, Nevada area. I know they're in Chicago, but you can go on the website. I'll put the link in my description if you can check out and see. But they make this sandwich called the Bobby, and it's basically Thanksgiving in a sandwich. So if you take a look, I basically just deconstructed the sandwich. So you have your turkey, and I think they roast butterball turkey for 12 hours overnight. So it's turkey, cranberry sauce, stuffing, and then I take the bun and chop it up in pieces, and you can butter it. Only thing you need after that is a little of your favorite gravy. So I'm one of those people that likes to drown my turkey in gravy. Hooray! You know what? I like to drown your rolls in gravy. Look at the steaming coming off that. And pretty much, there you go. I mean, look at that. It's a full Thanksgiving meal that came out of a sandwich from Capriati's. Turkey, cranberry sauce, rolls, butter, stuffing. Only thing you need then after that is maybe grab some of your favorite wine. Make sure you give yourself a little holiday pour, if you know what I mean. But happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Cheers.